Hi guys, it's Gabriel over at Tech-Topia, and I'm back with another video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Today, we'll be reviewing battery saving tips and tricks for the OnePlus 10 Pro. The first thing you can do is the most obvious thing. It's when you slide down to get your settings menu, you can set your brightness to auto, which I'm going to turn that off because I prefer utilizing it the way I like. Second thing we'll do, we'll jump into settings, and we'll just go down this list and go to the very first thing we come to, which would be display and brightness. We can change our phone from dark mode to light mode. We can set our screen on or off time to a shorter setting or a longer setting. Of course, you know, the longer the setting, the longer your screen is on and the more the battery gets drawn down on. I currently have mine to 10 minutes because I like to see things. I don't like to go dark immediately. Okay, underneath that we can set the screen refresh rate, and of course mine is set to standard at the moment, but if you prefer to see the 120 Hertz all the time, then you can change it and set it to that. But of course, again, battery draw. And we'll just go to screen display. We'll just look at some of those. You know, you can hide certain features. You know, I don't know how much that plays a role in battery, but I don't think very much, so I don't even bother with that one. Then we'll just continue to scroll down, and we will go to notification and status bar. Here, under more settings, you'll see all the apps that are currently set to notify you, which of course, again, draws down on the battery. So I would ask people to go through this list and only turn on the apps that you really want to receive notifications from. If you don't want to receive any notifications from those apps, turn them off. That helps with the battery. Okay, and then we'll continue to go down here. And the next thing that I like to use is digital well-being and parental controls. And the setting that I use under digital well-being is the bedtime mode. As you can see, I have my device set to go into bedtime mode at 11 p.m. and come out of bedtime mode at 7 o'clock a.m. So what this does, it takes my phone and it puts it in what they call black and white mode or whatever, and it reduces the battery usage. So I charge my battery at about 9:30 p.m. anywhere between 9:30 and 10 p.m. and with the 65-watt charger that's included in the box, that only takes a maximum. If my phone is like at 2%, it takes about 30 minutes to 34 minutes. If I have 15 to 20% of my battery, it will only take about 20 minutes tops. So, but what I do like is if I put it on the charger after that time, it uses artificial intelligence and it charges the battery very slowly, so it's not to, I guess, dry up the lithium ion that's in the batteries that are in these devices, so it extends the battery life of the phone overall. And one of the, there's a lot of different things you can use here, so I'll just, you can utilize setting up focus mode, and I'll just you can select an app, and you can, kind of turn that on or set a schedule for any app, and that'll also help, but I don't really utilize that, so I won't even, go into that. And, this is just a quick tips and tricks. You can go under system settings, and I want to make sure that I don't miss this. You can schedule your power on and off feature. If you're the type of person who enjoys the outdoors and is not locked to your digital device like I am, then I'd suggest you use this setting. That was just a quick video for tips and tricks for the OnePlus 10 Pro. Again, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate your visit and site, and we'll have more exciting videos to come.